What's up everybody? It's Dave from Both Lighting USA, and today I've got another settings and demonstration video for you. This time it's our Both Lighting USA mini beam mover. The mini beam mover is truly a mini mover. You'll see it's a really tiny size, but it actually packs a punch. I just turned it on and I saw the white beam coming through with the haze, and you can really see it. It is really nice and bright. It's one of our most affordable movers that we sell, and it has an 80-watt LED, which is really nice for the size of mover. I typically see this size of mover with a 35-watt LED, but this one is over double that. It's an 80-watt LED, and it really does a great job. Let's start off by looking at a demo of the fixture, and then we'll take a look at the back to see all the inputs and outputs, and finally we'll go around to the front screen of the fixture where I'll show you each and every setting and button that you can press. Starting off with the back of the fixture, nothing too out of the ordinary here. From left to right, you've got your DMX in and out, so you can daisy chain this fixture with DMX. It's 3-pin DMX. You've got a fuse to the right of that, then a on and off switch, and finally a power con input. So keep in mind you can daisy chain the DMX in and out of the fixture, but this does not have a power con daisy chain, so you do need an individual power con cable running to each fixture. Taking a look at the front of the fixture, you've got a really basic display with a menu, up, down, and enter button. You'll see that it's in sleep mode right now, but if you press menu, you will get to your first screen, which is ADDR, and that means address. So if you press enter, you will be able to adjust the DMX address of the fixture. It's A dot, and then you'll see the number from 0 to 512, so we are on channel 102. Let's press menu again to get back. We got ADDR, that's your address. Moving forward, you have your channel number. Now this fixture only does 12 channel mode. You'll see if I press up and down, it doesn't actually change anything. So you have your 12 channel, you press enter, you get back over there. Moving on from your channel mode, you have SLND, and SLND is where you can select what mode your fixture is in. You have sound active mode, you have an auto mode, and then you have your DMX mode. If you want the sound active and the auto modes to work, you have to unplug all DMX connection from the fixture. Right now we're in sound mode, but as soon as I plug our DMX connection back into the back, it should automatically go back into DMX mode. Moving forward from there, you have your pan and your tilt. And this pan and tilt, when you press enter, it allows you to invert the pan or tilt if you want to. So if you're master slaving these fixtures, you can invert the pan and tilt on one of them so that they do the opposite effect. Moving on from pan and tilt, we have your sensitivity, and this is the sensitivity of the microphone that's right here for your sound active mode. So you can go up and down from 70%. Oh, where did it go? We've got your pan, your tilt, your sensitivity. You can go up and down from 70%, and you can press enter to lock it in. Moving on from the sensitivity, you have this button that says LED, and this is actually your auto lock for your display, or your auto dim for your display. So if you have it on, your screen will automatically dim after a certain amount of time. Let's go back. You gotta sometimes run through the settings to get in there. So here we go, LED. If you have this on, then your screen will always stay on. It will never dim. Let's move forward to the next one, which is display. And if you press enter and on this, this actually flips the display upside down in case you are hanging the fixture from some truss. When you flip it off, the display goes back to its correct setting. Moving forward from display, we have your temperature. If you press enter, it will show you the temperature in Celsius of the fixture. And moving on from there, you have VER, V-E-R. This will show you the version of the fixture, the firmware version. And one more setting here is your FACT, which is the factory reset of the fixture. If you press yes and enter, it'll factory reset the fixture and restart it from scratch. So if anything goes wrong with it, this should fix a big chunk of your problems. Heading back into the menu, we are back at the beginning. We can flip this back into DMX mode from our SLND screen. We can go into DMX, and now it's back at address. We're at 102. We are back to normal. Well, there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching our video about the Mini Beam Mover from Both Lighting USA. If you have any questions, you can put them down in the comments below. And if you're interested in purchasing this fixture, check out the link in our description to our Both Lighting USA website. From there, you can send us a message, you can text us, call us, email us. We're super happy to help. We have DMX and lighting experts available all the time to help you and get the right lights that you need in your hands. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day.